So what are the key technologies involved in Industry 4.0? The key technologies that involve Industry 4.0 are big data and analytics, IoT, Internet of Things, AI and machine learning, the cyber physical systems, basically the uh, physical systems talking to each other via IoT and taking smart decisions, being flexible with the help of big data, AI and machine learning, and additive manufacturing. So this whole course is based on how additive manufacturing plays the role in Industry 4.0, and you can see that it is a key element when we talk about Industry 4.0. And then cloud computing, all the data going and being stored on a single space, in a single space on the cloud. And then the last one is AR and VR, which is very popular these days. All of you must be experiencing a surge in the use of AR and VR. So it basically helps us in simulating all the processes before the actual manufacturing process. So now all these key technologies play a very significant role in making our factories smart and in converting our industry into Industry 4.0. So they are the pillars of Industry 4.0, but for this course, we will be focusing on additive manufacturing to be precise. And yeah, so this was about the basic introduction of Industry 4.0. See you in the next part of this module.